YouTube, what's going on? Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some Pentair SuperFlo variable speed pool pump. Quick tips and tricks. Today we are going to show you how to set the time and speed for your QuickClean option. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, we're back again with another SuperFlo video. This time we're going to show you how to set the QuickClean speed. QuickClean is kind of a cool feature. Let's say you got people coming over and your pool isn't looking as clean as you want it to, but you don't have the time to do it yourself. You can throw on the QuickClean for a few hours, and if you got a vacuum cleaner or whatever you got in there, it'll do its thing for however long you set it to. So let's jump in real quick. If you're familiar with how to change your programming on the pump, the QuickClean is pretty much the same step process. First thing you're going to want to make sure is that this light is off so that you can make those adjustments. And then you're going to hit the QuickClean button right here. It's going to bring up your speed. So just like all the other programs, you can set it anywhere from 3450 all the way down to 300 RPMs. And then once you're certain of your RPM desired range there, you can go ahead and lock it in with the QuickClean button. That's going to bring up your duration, which is how long you want it to run that QuickClean cycle. And you can change that anywhere in 15-minute intervals, all the way from 15 minutes up to 24 hours. Once you're done there, you want to lock it in. You just hit the start-stop button. That'll change everything there and lock it in. And then anytime you want to use it, you just simply hit the QuickClean button while this light is on, and that will initiate that cycle. When this light is on, it means that your programming is on and everything's working. And the cool thing about the QuickClean is once it finishes its programmed cycle, in this instance 4 hours and 15 minutes, it's going to automatically switch back into all these programs here. So you don't have to come back out and press the button and turn it off or reprogram anything. It's going to do that all automatically. It's one of the coolest features about this thing. Otherwise, if you have any other questions, be sure to drop them in the comments.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.